Hi, first grade. Happy Friday. Another week of remote learning down and another big book about space to share with you. This story is called Exploring Space. We are able to find out more about space by launching rockets, satellites, and probes into space. These spacecraft send information back to Earth. Astronauts are space explorers. They send radio messages to Earth. Astronauts use cameras and TVs to send messages too. Astronauts need to wear special clothing to protect them in space. They wear special underwear, trousers, tops, and helmets. Very special spacesuits are worn when astronauts have to leave the spaceship. In space, everything floats. Inside the spacecraft, things are held down by clips, tapes, or magnets. Astronauts have to be tied down to sleep. Food and drink would float in space. So to eat, astronauts often have to squeeze food and drink from tubes. Astronauts travel into space and back again in space shuttles. A space shuttle can go on many space missions. A space shuttle can be used to launch weather and communication satellites. A space station can stay in space while people learn, work, and live on it. A space station has its own power, living rooms, workrooms, and sleeping rooms. Someday, there may even be cities in space. Here's a little quiz for you to test your comprehension of our story today. Name two things we launch into space. Fill in the blank. Space explorers are called blank. What do astronauts send back to Earth? How do astronauts sleep in space? How do astronauts eat and drink in space? A rocket ship can go into space and back again. What is a space station? Here are some activities to do by yourself or in a group if you're looking for some more space activities to keep you busy at home. Make sure you check in with a grown-up before taking any supplies to do any of these. 1. Make a model of a rocket. Start with a cardboard tube. Use construction paper and paint to add the details. 2. Make a chart showing different craft that explore space. Either draw the various craft or cut out pictures from newspapers or magazines. Label the spaceship and present your work to the class, or you can send your teacher a picture. And 3, make a plan for a space station of the future. Thanks for listening to our story about exploring space today. If you try out any of those activities, send us a picture to share your learning. Have a great day.